Nowadays, why are we having so many numerous problems, again and again? What does it mean for future viruses? Well, today we are going to do a deep dive in COVID-19. We'll be discussing our thoughts and bringing out the facts that we should be aware of. If you haven't yet, then do like and subscribe to our channel so that in the future we will do deep dives into more issues and problems. Let's dive in. COVID-19 is a disease caused by the new coronavirus that emerged in Wuhan, China in December 2019. According to World Health Organization, it has the symptoms of cough, fever, and shortness of breath. But how does this virus emerge so quickly? There is a considerable debate going on right now. Few politicians in the USA and China have already suggested that COVID-19 might be the virus created by humans manufactured in a lab. But the main question is, what is the main reason behind this pandemic, or is it just a myth? As a new coronavirus appeared and took thousands of lives, scientists from all around the world are fighting day and night to find out exactly where it came from. Let's hope the answer will be transparent in the coming future. Recently, the South China Morning Post shared an article called "Chinese Research Lab Badly Hurt by Man-Made Coronavirus Rumors." Some stories state that the researchers had claimed experimental animals were sold to the live animal and seafood market and leaked the virus from the lab. If we see the history of China, then eating wildlife as being part of the culture in southern China for more than a century, how everything changed overnight. According to Wikipedia, in 2005, a team led by Shi Zhenji and Xiu Ji found that the SARS virus originated in bats. The results were published in Science in 2005 and Journal of General Virology in 2006. In February 2020, researchers led by Shi Zhenji published an article in Nature titled "A Pneumonia Outbreak Associated with a New Coronavirus of Probable Bat Origin." The South China Morning Post also reported that Shi was the focus of personal attacks in Chinese social media, who claimed the Wuhan Institute of Virology was the source of the virus, leading Shi to post, "I swear with my life, the virus has nothing to do with the lab." And when asked by the South China Morning Post to comment on the attacks, Shi responded, "My time must be spent on more important matters." According to London-based The Economist, China's internet is full of conspiracy theories about COVID-19 being the CIA's creation to keep China down. That's why recently, Chinese Foreign Ministry tweeted claiming that the US military brought coronavirus to Wuhan. Some researchers have suggested that the Wuhan seafood wholesale market may not be the original source of the viral transmission to humans. The biggest question is, where this virus initially came from? Is it made by influential organizations or countries? Or are there already vaccines being hidden? Well, there are lots of rumors, but nobody knows the real facts about the virus yet. Some scientists around the world believe that the virus originated in a lab by humans as a bioweapon. It's also thought that it escaped or leaked because of poor safety protocols. Although this sounds interesting and scary at the same time, the internet is full of debate and rumors that COVID-19 might be biological warfare created by humans. If this were the case, what is biological warfare? Have we used it so far? Well, let's take a quick deep dive into our history. 1155. Emperor Barbossa poisoned water wells with human bodies, Tortona, Italy. 1346. Mongols catapult bodies of plague victims over the city walls of Kaffa, Crimean Peninsula. 1495. Spanish mix wine with blood of leprosy patients to sell to their French foes in Naples, Italy. 1650. Polish fire saliva from rabid dogs towards their enemies. 1675. First deal between Germans and French forces not to use poison bullets. 1763. British distribute blankets from smallpox patients to Native Americans. 1797. Napoleon floods the plains around Mantua, Italy, to enhance the spread of malaria. 1863. Confederates sell clothing from yellow fever and smallpox patients to Union troops USA. It seems like humans have been using viruses as a weapon for centuries, which is entirely different from nuclear weapons. But what will happen if we didn't stop creating bioweapons like this? The future seems dark and scary. This current situation about biological warfare is critical because thousands of people are getting sick and the whole planet is taking effect. This debate is crucial in increasing awareness where people should be alert to the current situation. We hope a vaccine could be developed and distributed soon, as most of the countries are trying their best and seem to be close to defeating this deadly virus. But still, there are few unanswered questions. Some of them are, could previously confirmed patients get affected by COVID-19 all over again? Will the new vaccine have some side effects? What will be the new life after COVID-19? Based on our thoughts and research, it might be a taste of a biological weapon by some powerful countries who are trying to develop it as a weapon of choice. Or it could just be a creation of nature's effect on humans' immune systems. Still, for the sake of humankind, anything related to biological warfare should be stopped immediately. Otherwise, we could be our worst enemies. We should focus on the solutions to the problems we already have, not inventing new problems. Let's make our planet better and help each other so that we could save lives. Let us know your thoughts and concerns on the topic of the day, and comment below your thoughts on the matter. We will see you on the next episode of Deep Dive.